Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Wi-Fi and making sure airplane mode is off. This wakes the radio and reveals networks. Once done, scan for the GMC SSID and select it immediately so your device begins negotiating. Make sure you have your GMC username and password handy, and note the device ID or MAC if the campus requires registration. If you're close to the entrance, move a few steps inward to improve signal before proceeding to the login portal. You should see a captive portal or be redirected when you open a browser. If not, navigate to any HTTP site to trigger it. Enter your GMC credentials and follow prompts to accept usage terms. This registers your session. When asked about security, pick WPA2 Enterprise with PEEP and MSHAP2 unless IT specifies otherwise, because it secures authentication. If the portal fails, manually configure IP or DNS using the campus values. Once authenticated, test by loading a web page and running a quick ping to confirm DNS and routing. This verifies both layers of connectivity. If you still see limited access, forget the GMC network, reboot Wi-Fi, and reconnect to force a fresh handshake. Make sure saved wrong passwords aren't reused. If problems persist, clear cached credentials on your device or provide IT with your device MAC and error messages so they can check whitelist or backend authentication logs. That single step usually resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.